Today I'm going to be making for you a delicious sweet and spicy cauliflower popcorn. I'm going to be using the Vitamix Ascent 3500i and the 600ml blending cup to make the marinade. So I'm going to get started. I've just got maple syrup, bit of tahini, I've got coconut oil, turmeric, curry powder, cinnamon, salt, anything you want to make it delicious, but I guarantee you will love this marinade. You can use almond butter as well, but I've got tahini. So I've made sure the container is reading, and we're going to get it on low for the beginning and start it up. Alright, it looks delicious, almost like a homemade mustard. Alright, so we get that one off. A little shake. You can use this on anything. It almost smells like a delicious homemade satay sauce. Pour it on the cauliflower. You could even just use this on chopped veggies as well if you're making a home roast. It's just a really simple, delicious sauce. You know exactly what's going into it. You don't want to waste any of it, that's for sure. Even in between the blade here, I can just swing it around. And if you want, you can use your hands, get messy. I'm going to open the dehydrator first. Today I'm going to be using the Sedona Supreme, which I absolutely love because of the TST feature. I'm going to marinate this, it looks pretty good, and pop it onto the stainless steel tray, which has the divider tray underneath just for cleaning purposes. It makes it so much easier, because the marinade will drip through and you don't want to use a solid sheet because the air won't sort of flow all around it. So I'm going to put it over here with the divider tray still underneath, clip it in, slide this tray in, and then I'm going to keep that divider tray in there as well. Easy to clean, the smell is amazing. So you can see how it's dripping through already. Feel free halfway through to grab that marinade and pop it back on top. You want to dehydrate on a high temperature to begin with. So I've got it at 68 degrees for about 5 hours, and then the TST feature will automatically pop it down to a lower temperature, which is around 45 for 15 hours, depending on how chewy or crispy you'd like it. So close it. It's nice and quiet, so you can get on with your day, watch TV, listen to some music. But I've got some here that I've already made. The color is amazing. It does lose some size, so feel free to use as much cauliflower as you like. It's delicious, everyone. Happy dehydrating.